Hey there, if you have changed any part of your iPhone and you have serviced your iPhone any hardware part, then you can just check the service or repair history from your settings. So let me show you how you can check the settings. Right now I'm using my iOS 18 version iPhone 16 Pro Max device. So in settings, in general, you just need to go to general, then go to the about section here. Now in exactly this section you will find parts and service story option. If you can find it, that means you have not serviced your phone yet, or there is no service needed yet for your device, or your any hardware has been placed from your device. So if it's replaced or repaired, if any hardware on your device like display, battery or anything has replaced or repaired on your device, so you will get this option like part and service history. Then you can just tap on that parts and service story like this, and you will get the part name and the status, that if it's serviced or if it's replaced. So you will, or if it's replaced, then you will get unidentified or unknown part like prompted at the right side of your screen. So that's mean if you find it that unknown part, or it can recognize that part, so that's mean it has just changed or replaced the hardware like display or battery. So if you are on go with only servicing, you have only servicing, give your phone for servicing and repair your display or battery, then you will find the service status before right of the this hardware name like battery or display or the speaker, if you replace it or repair it. So that's how you can just easily check the parts and service story on iPhone. And if you don't replace or repair any parts of your iPhone, or the iPhone's parts or have not been repaired or serviced, so there is no option of these parts and service story. So where you can just check the story of its repair and replacement story. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.